We turn on to record.
Isidora Gatović,
Yeah, Dekić.
Dekić. Druga Isidora će da se čudi.
I will add here title.
How is the Gmail account, Isidora?
isi.dekic.
And you have 20
Okay.
minutes to do this.
Anyone else need access?
Yes, I need access. I think I already tried to
Tamara?
ask her. Yes, it's radaktamara@gmail.com. Yeah, so it's the other way around. Okay, sorry, just to clarify, so we should just translate the titles for now.
Yes,
and not
for
go
now,
into
yes.
Wiki-ELTeC. Okay, great.
Yes.
Can I ask you to repeat the first step?
Treba. Znači,
Edicija.
Edicija. ELTeC izdanje.
ELTeC izdanje. Vidi. Okay.
Okay.
I don't have the access yet, but I sent it. It's this one. It's this file.
Yes.
And I have to translate it from Slovene to English here in this file.
Yes.
It's like next.
Yes. Next.
Okay.
Ima, možda da edituješ. Ne, kaži mi samo Gmail, kako je na ovo. Aha.
Sorry.
Oh, yes, of course.
Like this? Okay. Oops. Okay, you will
get access.
Just a second. Just a second.
Is everything okay, Silvia,
No,
Isidora,
I did
Tamara?
something stupid.
Everything's good.
Okay, great.
I went out to the.
Yes, so should the title then at the end also have
title
ELTeC edition?
And you must translate that ELTeC edition in language which you have. Okay.
Yeah, okay, so did I do, yeah, you can see it here. Did I do it correctly?
Great.
Okay, great.
Great for Serbian, great. Here is missing Edicija ELTeC in all, but you will say, what is this? Slovenian to English. You will add ELTeC edition. You will add ELTeC edition here. I will put. You will see. Okay. Edition. And every title that you translate, you will add ELTeC edition, for example, of Slovenian. Okay. Portuguese.
It's Arabasci.
Who is working Portuguese?
Probably, yeah.
Serbian to Portuguese, Portuguese to English. Sylvia?
I just have to connect.
Yes,
Can you-
I ask you if you could give me access.
Okay, can you write me your Gmail account in chat?
Yeah, I already did.
I don't see.
It was
Okay,
available.
I see.
Okay.
Silvia Barbosa. Silvia Barbosa.
Tačka Barbosa.
Ne, bez Silvia Barbosa. At FCSH.
Treba Gmail da.
Silvia, you don't have a Gmail account.
This is a Gmail account. This is related to a Gmail account.
Okay.
FCSH.
Tačka
Možda ajde sad ću idem ovam da gledam.
Okay.
Thank you.
Just a second, I will. Oops. Moram pitam koga sam dala sam. Poslala sam sad.
Okay.
Silvia, okay now?
Can I ask another question?
Yes, Isidora.
So for example, I have something, some novel that is called Bellamy, which would be like Dear Friend, but actually that book is not titled like that in English. Yeah, the actual English translation or just the way they call it. So da li da napišem prevod direktni ili da napišem kako je to prilagođeno za englesko?
Kako je prilagođeno?
Kako je prilagođeno?
Tako je.
Važim.
Da ne bude kuplanciju. Se sećate toga? Ne, vi ste bili mali. Kada je Vuk Drašković to rekao. Kuplan.
Can you just repeat the first step, Milica? Do you hear me?
What? I don't hear you.
I'm on the beginning, so I'm trying to do it again. And
Okay.
after create a new item in Wiki-data,
Okay.
I had a little help from Sylvia. So what should I do next?
You
just
go
lost.
to this Excel file and you see your name and which language you translate to.
To Russian.
Yes.
Okay.
No.
I just lost my Excel.
You go to Serbian and you find novel label. Here is the last one, Russian. And you can translate from Serbian to Russian or from English. Translate from this column. Yes. If you already translate this, only copy in this column.
Okay, I'll try to. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I have a bit of problem with one of the texts, which is Adam Mensch. Like, I don't know the text, and Mensch means both man, and it could be a surname in the German one. So should it be Adam Mensch or should it be Adam Human? Or like
You can
without
pass
knowing.
that if you're not
Sorry?
sure. You can
Sorry?
pass that. You can pass that if you are not sure.
Can someone can someone help? Or can you help? No,
Who is speaking German?
I suppose it's not.
I guess it's about the content, like we're not literary translators, so I think you need to know the context of the book in order to be able, but I just don't know the book. All of these are from the 19th century.
It's better
not my
to
forte.
skip. It's better to skip
Okay,
than to put something that is not certain.
okay,
Yes,
sure.
yes, I agree. And that
Yeah,
is no
I would
problem.
also tend to agree because some of these are really tricky if you don't know what the actual content of the text is. Okay.
Yes, because of
Weird.
that, I pass only in English label name in German. What I can do.
Yeah, okay. Thanks.
Thank you.
And sorry, what was the description? I forgot. Description label.
Okay. Only
Within-
ELTeC edition. Only
ELTeC
ELTeC
edition.
edition.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Or you asked me for novel. I'm not sure that you add manually in Wikidata. If it is novel, you create manually French novel and you put this description French novel.
May I share my my screen?
Can you share your screen?
Yeah. just
Okay,
a moment.
okay. I will now see. Just a second. Can you share? Okay, I will allow you. You can share now. Can you?
You don't see it now, no? I'll try
No.
again.
No. We don't see anything.
Now. You see it now?
No. Sylvia, Tamara, do you see? I don't see.
Jesi odgovorila na ovo za autor, ko je autora? Tamara je pitala. Tamara, you asked about the author, sorry, in chat.
Okay, I don't see.
I tell you what's the
I haven't
problem.
seen that just now.
No problem.
If the author don't exist, yes, then first
Okay.
the author should be inserted,
added.
yes.
But you
Okay.
have
So,
first.
so we shouldn't put just name of the author as a label, straight label, but it's an entity. Author is an entity, and first we should add author as an item with its own QID, and then connect with actual novel.
Okay, but only if the author does not already exist.
Yes,
in
only
Wikidata.
that, yes.
Okay, mine exists in
Okay.
Wikidata, so I guess that's fine. Okay, thanks.
Just a second. Dennis. Okay.
Since at the moment is 10 minutes left, we propose that we stop with the translation and go on with the next task. So what you translated, you translated.
Yes.
You can later do it. And now Milica will show you the next task.
I will now show you how I will add, just a second, French-ELTeC editions in Wiki-ELTeC. You can see that here is 100 ELTeC editions. And after we extracted metadata, we have here ID of that ELTeC edition in French collection, title, name of author. I here put wiki ID of author to be sure. Here is author VF ID, author gender, and so on. And what needs to us when we put French ELTeC editions in Wiki-ELTeC, we use only ID, author name, title, number of words, number of pages, publisher references, distributor, and the language and which collection they belongs. I create manually before of that this item, which will connect all that ELTeC editions. That is FRA-ELTeC, French literary text collection, French part of a European literary text collection. And now what I will do, it's next. I will mark just those cells that I will put in Wikidata with headers. That is ID, Wiki ID, size, publisher, and here, just a second. I will mark them all, and I will do copy, and I will go to Open Refine. You have all Open Refine, I suppose. If you don't have, you will go to this site, Open Refine, download Open Refine. And this step I'm only working, not you, with this French ELTeC collection. You will only watch, and you will do the same thing with these translations. Okay. You will now go to Windows Kit and download. That is 5 minutes, maybe. And you will download one zip file and extract that on your desktop. And when I open my Open Refine tool, I go to clipboard and say paste all and say next. Just a second to see. Just a second. And project name will be FRA-ELTeC, for example. And day and create project.
So we see the browser, at least I see just your browser, but not Open Refine, I think.
Do you see? Maybe you have problems with Java. That can be problem.
No, I think you only shared your browser and not your whole screen.
Oh,
we're not seeing what you're doing.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay. I don't understand. And now?
Yeah, now it's working.
Yes.
Okay. I use this on a second. I use this metadata from French ELTeC collection, copy that, and paste with this tool Open Refine. Just a second. and go to clipboard and only create this project. I can do undo or open again. And what I will do, first, I will now do reconciling. What that means? I will say, if there is this item in Wikidata, please connect me with that, because I don't want to do twice job, and I don't want to have duplicates in Wikidata, because that is not allowed. And what I will done, I will here go to Wiki-data for authors and say reconcile, start reconcile. I choose Wikidata here, and I will say, just a second, find me if there is humans with these QIDs. And now he's working. And he found all, because QIDs are unique, and he found alls. I will now show alls, 100. And she connect every author with QID. Now I only left this column to check if there is some problem, and I will remove this column and say, edit column, remove this column. And words, I will also reconcile and say, these are natural numbers. Natural numbers. And here, and start reconciling. Okay, 30%. He's a little bit slow, maybe because of Zoom. That's happened.
No, it's okay.
Okay. You will see here progression. We are almost done. Okay, and you can go only here and say, because these are natural numbers, these not our items, you can say actions and create a new item for each cell. The same thing for pages. Size we don't want, and we go to edit column, remove this column. Reprint count we will not add. Also edit column, remove this column. Time slot, the same thing. Pages, we are connecting them with Wikidata. As natural number, it will be faster because it isn't too much of them. Okay, it's good.
Just to add, I forgot to mention that you have links in presentation to the very detailed tutorial as a set of screenshots for both open, refine, and quick statements.
I will do for publisher, and he will recognize that is research network, and see the magic. It's connected with Wikidata item cost action. This is just a second. We choose as uniform resource locator. And just a second. Action, create new item for each cell. And maybe because of time, I will only do this. Connect with text corpus. Language I can add manually. I will show you. License, we will remove that. And only this one maybe, because here is the end. This is open access repository. And just a second, he connect with Zenodo. And this is end, only this as uniform resource locator. As we done all, just a second, actions, create a new item for each, because that is URL. References, okay. And this ID, we connect with volume, because that is the big thing for every collection and every file. And we can say here, start reconciling with volume. Okay. There isn't any at Wikidata, and we will create a new item for each one. And at the end, these titles are most important, because these titles represents every new item. And we say now, start reconciling and find if there is some other edition in Wikidata, because we don't want duplicates. And he's going now. And he didn't find anything. And we say to him, okay, you will create a new item for each. And we are now ready to edit Wikibase schema and say, edit item. And then title, that is a title of item. Then add term. That are those labels and descriptions. I say label will be, I will found French language, and say that in that label will be the same name as the name of this item, and add term description, and also French. And I don't know how you say ELTeC edition on French. I will put only at English, and then I will correct that. And I can now add on many languages at the same time. Perhaps label for Serbian. And because I don't know this translation, I will add that the same name will be at Serbian language, then description, and this only second, Serbian. I will add ELTeC izdanje, and I'm now adding add statements. That's our properties. I will say author that was in this wiki ID. You remember in wiki ID you can go and see in wiki ID was every author that we connect with QIDs. We go to schema again. Then we go to number of pages, and I put here pages. You only drop and drop. Then number of words. But here you must add qualifier as determination or method determination method, and word count. How you know how many words are. Then publisher. Now some on collection, the publisher, that's the big thing, collection. Language and collection and work. I will add manually here, French. And only collection, published in collection. Остальное что? Может? Maybe. Okay, sorry. Publisher, and only distributor. We don't have much time left.
We don't have any.
Okay, and now we go to save schema. Okay, everything is here. Got it. Only second. Okay, and we go to export quick statements file. Just a second. It always happened. Once more. And here it's statements. Wow. And you go only copy here. Okay. All this, and you go to other quick statement. I think that okay, here is, and say paste, import comments, and you see how he creates additions, and go only to run. And you can see how he creates every edition on French collection.
So that's all, folks.
Yes, but for you, you can use this your work and add these titles if you want, using open, refine, and quick statements. You see how. And I'm here if you need any help, you can write to me. And that's all.
If you have some questions, please send us in a chat box or send an emails. But for the moment, I will say that we will make thank you very much for attention and sorry for this